Building your dream DIY pizza oven is an exciting project that combines craftsmanship, creativity, and the promise of delicious homemade pizza. Whether you're a passionate home cook or simply love gathering friends and family for outdoor meals, constructing your own pizza oven is more achievable than you might think. With the right materials, a clear plan, and a little determination, you can bring authentic wood-fired pizza into your own backyard in no time. Imagine the aroma of freshly baked pizza wafting through the air, the crackle of wood burning, and the warmth radiating from your handcrafted oven. Before you know it, you'll be turning out golden, crispy crusts topped with bubbling cheese and vibrant ingredients. Let's walk through the process step by step, making it straightforward and manageable so you can focus on the fun and flavor. The foundation of any pizza oven is its base. Start by selecting a suitable location, ideally somewhere flat, sturdy, and easily accessible. A well-ventilated spot away from flammable materials is key for safety. Begin by laying a simple concrete slab or a base of fireproof bricks. The size can vary based on your space and needs, but a common recommendation is about 4 feet by 4 feet. Level the ground, lay down gravel for drainage, and pour concrete or set your bricks securely, ensuring a solid and stable foundation that can support the oven's weight. Next comes the oven floor, where your pizzas will bake. Fire bricks are the best choice here, as they retain and distribute heat evenly. Arrange them in a tight pattern, leaving minimal gaps, and ensure the surface is flat and smooth. This will be the stage for your culinary creations, so take your time to get it right. The oven's dome is where the magic happens. It traps and radiates heat, ensuring your pizzas cook quickly and evenly. The classic dome shape isn't just for aesthetics, it's designed to circulate hot air efficiently. You have several options for constructing the dome, but one of the simplest and most popular methods uses bricks and mortar. Alternatively, you can use a mold and cast the dome using refractory concrete for a seamless finish. Start by building a simple arch at the front of your oven, which will serve as the opening. Use a temporary form made from wood or cardboard to help shape the arch until the mortar sets. Then, begin stacking fire bricks in a circular pattern, gradually curving upward to create the dome. Mortar each brick securely and work slowly, checking your alignment and curvature as you go. If you opt for casting, mix refractory concrete and pour it into a dome-shaped mold, allowing it to cure fully before removing the mold. Don't forget the oven's chimney, a critical component for venting smoke and controlling airflow. Position the chimney at the front of the dome, just above the arch. Use a short length of stovepipe or a purpose-built chimney kit, sealing it well with mortar. The chimney should be tall enough to draw smoke away efficiently, but not so high as to lose heat from the oven. Insulation is the secret to a high-performing pizza oven. Wrapping your dome in ceramic fiber blanket or covering it with a layer of insulating concrete ensures that heat stays inside, reaching the high temperatures needed for perfect pizza. After insulating, you can apply an outer layer of stucco, brick, or stone to give your oven a polished, attractive finish. This not only looks great, but also protects the oven from the elements. Building the door is the final touch. A simple wooden or metal door helps control airflow and retain heat when baking. Make sure it fits snugly but can be removed easily. Some pizza oven enthusiasts even design their doors with adjustable vents for precise temperature control. Once construction is complete, allow your oven to dry and cure fully. This can take several days depending on the materials used. Resist the temptation to fire it up too soon. Patience here will ensure your oven lasts for years to come. When you're ready, start with a small fire, gradually increasing the temperature over several hours. This slow curing process helps prevent cracks and strengthens the oven. Now, the real fun begins. Gather your favorite pizza ingredients: dough, sauce, cheese, and toppings. Light a wood fire inside your oven, using dry hardwoods like oak or maple for a hot, clean burn. Allow the oven to reach the optimal temperature, usually between 700 and 900 degrees Fahrenheit. You'll know it's ready when the inside dome turns white with heat. Stretch your dough, add sauce and toppings, and slide your pizza onto the hot oven floor using a pizza peel. In just a few minutes, you'll have a perfectly crisp crust bubbling cheese, and toppings cooked to perfection. Experiment with different recipes, classic margarita, spicy pepperoni, or creative combinations that showcase fresh vegetables and herbs from your garden. Your DIY pizza oven isn't just for pizza. Explore baking fresh bread, roasting vegetables, or even slow-cooking meats. The retained heat and wood-fired flavor elevate simple ingredients into memorable meals. Invite friends and family to share in the experience, turning mealtime into a celebration. Maintaining your oven is easy with a few simple steps. Clean out ashes regularly, check for cracks, and repair any damage promptly. Protect your oven from rain and snow with a cover or by building a small shelter. With minimal care, your oven will be a centerpiece for outdoor cooking and entertaining for years to come. The satisfaction of building your own pizza oven goes far beyond the finished product. It's about creating a space that brings people together, learning new skills, and enjoying the fruits of your labor. Every pizza you bake will carry a bit of the effort and love you put into the project. Whether you're hosting a summer party, enjoying a quiet evening with family, or simply savoring the taste of authentic wood-fired pizza, your DIY oven will be at the heart of countless memories. So take the plunge. With a clear plan, the right materials, and a little perseverance, you can build your dream pizza oven faster than you ever imagined. The process is straightforward, rewarding, and well worth the effort. Transform your backyard, elevate your cooking, and create a gathering place where great food and good times are always on the menu. The perfect slice is just a few steps and a little DIY spirit away.